This full HD video will show how to install popular Microsoft text fonts to your Linux computer. These 4 popular Microsoft fonts are all shown as size 22, with the serif font Times New Roman plus 3 sans serif fonts, Arial, Calibri and Verdana. I use Simple Screen Recorder and I always use Time Shift to create a restore point before installing new programs. Linux Mint has over 200 text fonts pre-installed, but the list does not include common Microsoft fonts like Arial or Times New Roman. You may want compatibility with common Microsoft fonts, so I will now show you how easy it is to download Microsoft text fonts to your Linux computer. Click on Menu, click on Administration, click on Software Manager. Up in the search bar, type mscorefonts and press enter. I'll put that in the description. Click on Install, and for additional software to be installed, click on Continue. Tick the box to accept the license terms and then press Next. Enter your authorization password. You may find that a PC reboot is required to allow LibreOffice and other Linux programs to find the new installed fonts. Now, common Microsoft fonts like Arial and Times New Roman are included on my Linux computer, as you can see. As a bonus, you will also be able to use in Linux the Microsoft webdings as shown. If you need more time to see these webdings, press the J key to go back 10 seconds. You can double this number of webdings by pressing Shift together with any keyboard key. I will now show how to hide or disable many unwanted Microsoft fonts. Click on Menu, click on Administration, click on Software Manager. Up in the search bar, type Font Manager and press Enter. When the Font Manager box appears, click on it and on Install. Click on Continue to allow additional software to be installed. Enter your authentication password. Wait for program to download and then click on Launch. You may also like to make a shortcut for later use by doing the following. Right-click on Font Manager, and left-click on Add to Panel or on Add to Desktop. I clicked on the desktop shortcut to open Font Manager. I use ChatGPT to ask, essential fonts Linux Mint should keep. These are some of the main Linux fonts you should not hide or delete. I am enlarging the font screen to make it easier for you to see. Untick the fonts you want to hide or disable. This will also make the good fonts you want to use much easier to find. Hiding the fonts does not delete the fonts and can be reversed by reticking the ones you want to use. I later unticked dozens more text fonts than I have shown here. To refresh the System Font Manager, you may need to reboot your Linux computer. In the description below are links to things I showed in this video and a YouTube link to all my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and forward the link to your Linux friends. And subscribe to be notified when I upload future Linux Mint 1080 tutorials to YouTube.